Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a fall floral arrangement using what I have. I was going through all of my fall bins and I came across this green vase. Couldn't even tell you where I got it from, but I'm going to give it a good wipe down with some Windex and a paper towel, get it nice and clean and ready for me. I have a whole bunch of vase filler left over from other projects, so I'm going to actually start off with this like blue and kind of green vase filler that I had in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put that at the bottom of the vase. It's important that you toss your trash. This fall floral stem that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it is entirely too tall for this vase. So now I'm going to get out my big cutters and attempt to cut off most of it. And then I'm going to fluff the floral pick out and place it into the vase. And that's when I decide I needed more vase filler. Next thing I want to do is fluff out this floral stem. I'm just going to bring it alive. I'm just going to touch every stem and just kind of fan it out and get it where I want it. This is me realizing this isn't working for me. It is way too sparse. I need more vase filler, and I actually need another bundle of florals. So I took the first bundle of florals out, and I went and found some other vase filler that I had, and I'm going to fill it to like the neck part of this vase. I'm going to fill it all the way up. I want it nice and full. I'm doing this because I want it to be bottom heavy. I don't want this to top over, or if the wind might knock it over. I don't think I'm going to put it outside, but I want to make sure this vase is not going to move. I don't want it falling over. Going back in with that same floral stem, that automatically looks a lot better, but I'm going to add some more florals. This bundle of florals I did pick up from Hobby Lobby as well, so I just want to break them down into individual pieces, and I'm going to add this to my vase. All I'm doing here is placing one stem in at a time, turning the vase, and then adding the other stems. I am filling up this vase. I'm basically looking for holes, so I just keep placing one stem in and then turning the vase. Friends, if you have any questions for me, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Even if you don't have any questions, just type in fall in the comments. Let me know you saw this. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing. Have I convinced you yet? I have this rope, and I purchased this rope from Walmart. I've had this rope for years, and I use it in random projects, especially around the fall and Thanksgiving time. So I'm just giving it a dainty little easy peasy, just a bow tie on the neck of the vase. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Like and follow for more. Bye.